it wasn't rocket science. I think like once you do it for a month or two, you pick it up pretty quickly.
Did that bother you? Were you like, okay,
yeah, I think for me, it was more like I didn't see myself wanting to be a director on that desk. And I saw myself 20 years from now basically being like, okay, so I keep doing this. This is what life looks like. Is that exciting? And I think I couldn't pretty honestly say to myself that yes, it did. The only
what do you think before you made the decision to move S&T, if you had known what the day-to-day would be like, would that have changed your decision? Would you have gone to banking?
No, I don't think so. No, I still don't think that the banking piece was something that I wanted to do. And
would you have still done S&T just to bide some time and make some money?
Yeah, I would have. And I think I also appreciated the personalities in S&T much more than banking.
Okay. A little more colorful?
A little more colorful, a little more social, a little bit more kind of less structured in their approach. I think the banking approach was very much like this deck has to look like this, move this period to this element, make sure the slide is formed, which wasn't for me. I was just like, this really is
well, you're entrepreneurial. You're a little bit more like, let's just go and figure things out.
Yeah, I wanted to kind of move. Even if the role was a little bit repetitive in trading, I think the directors had fun in their jobs. They weren't there. They were there to work, but they had families and they were going back to them.